बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बिश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वाहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. Grade 8, Unit 14, The Kingfisher. Kingfisher is a poem. Kingfishers are found by still or slow-flowing water such as lakes, canals and rivers in lowland areas, and these kingfishers are powder blue above with fine whitening spotting on the wings and tail, and kingfishers have very keen eyesight. Therefore, they have the ability to judge the distance of moving prey in water. Kingfisher has elegance in catching fish, so it is named as Kingfisher. This poem is written by William Henry. William Henry was a Welsh poet and writer. He was born on 3rd July 1871 in Newport, and Davy spent a significant part of his life as a vagabond in the United Kingdom, but became one of the most popular poets of his time. He died on 26 September 1940 in Nailsworth. Okay, now we will read the poem. It was the rainbow gave thee birth and left thee all her lovely hues. As her mother's name was Tears, so runs it in my blood to choose. For haunts the lonely pools and keep in company with trees that weep. Go you and with such glorious hues live with proud peacocks in green parks. On lawns as smooth as shining glass, let every feather show its marks. Get thee on bows and clap thy wings before the winds of proud kings. Nay, lovely bird, thou art not vain, thou hast no proud ambitious mind. I also love a quiet place that's green away from all mankind. A lonely pool and let a tree sigh with her bosom over me. Here are the words' meanings. Haunt, a place visited frequently. Hues, color. Glorious, deserving or bringing great fame and success. Bow, a large branch. Vain, that does not produce the result you want. Haste, a way of saying you have. Ambitious, determined to be successful. Bosom, a situation in which you are with people who love and protect you. Nay, old fashions. Here are the words' meaning. Now come to the exercise. I will send the pictures of question answers to you. Now come to this one. Read the poem and fill in the blanks. First one. The rainbow gave all the lovely hues to the kingfisher. Number 2. The kingfisher lives on trees. 3. Lawns are smooth as shining glass. 4. The kingfisher clap its wings. 5. The kingfisher is neither proud nor ambitious. 6. The kingfisher loves quiet place. And 7. Common point between poet and kingfisher is lonely pool. Next question. Match the incomplete sentences in column A with appropriate words in column B. Column A. The rainbow gives birth to the birds. Second, her mother's name Tears. The bird keeps company with trees. And 4, the poet suggests her to live with peacocks. Next, find rhyming words from the poem like keep, weep, like this. You have to find the rhyming words. Find words in the poem which mean the same as silent, quiet, determined, keep, even or flat, haunts, magnificent, glorious, deserted, lonely, and full of pride, proud. Okay. Choose the describing word used in the poem for the following nouns, or you have to use the choose the describing words. Okay. Thank you.